Welcome back, dear subscriber. From today, I am going to give you the complete solution for the Coursera course Network, Neural Networks and Deep Learning. So I will just give you the programming part, and I am very hopeful that you will able to complete the quiz assignment yourself. And I will give one by one all this video in playlist, so you can go there and check it out. In case you are unable to solve the bit by referring the video, then you can join the Telegram group of Deep Codec Guru and you can get code there. So let's get started. So you can see here there is 4 programming bits are there. So 4 programming section is there. In week 2, 1 that is logistic recursion with neural network mindset, and in week 3 there is one more planar data classification with a hidden network, and in last week, in 4th week, there is 2 programming session. One is build your deep neural network step by step, and the other is deep neural network application. So now I am going to solve week 2 programming portion, and I have already done this in other accounts, and I have those all codes, so I can complete within the less time, at the minimal time, so you can refer it and the video will not become so long. So here instruction is given and my submission. If you have submit, then it will show your submission. If not, it will not going to show you have submitted anything, right? So now I have to go for week 2, right? And in week 2 I have to complete this assignment programming. So to complete this I have to go from notebook. Now from notebook we can execute and directly do that. So it is showing that welcome to first programming exercise of deep learning specification. In this notebook you will build your first image recognition algorithm, and you will build a cat classifier and recognizer cat with 70% accuracy. So this neural network we are going to complete one assignment, one algorithm we are going to generate, and using that algorithm the machine can identify the given picture is cat or not, and the accuracy of that application or that algorithm is going to be 70%. So that is the task here. Now we go to the notebook. This is third party tools, we are using that, and we will solve this bit. I have already provided one video on that too long back, that how to solve the assignment of deep learning courses, but I got lots of requests on this, so I come with one idea to provide the whole solution in holistic. So you can go with where you are facing the problem, you can go and just take that one. So this is we have to run the code here. So how to run? You just press shift and enter. So this way you can run the code, go and run. So you can see here line number 1, this is, it is not telling you to write the code till you just go to that line and press shift enter. So you can see here this picture is cat. This is the example algorithm I have provided, and So end the code here, start code here. So you can see here it is asking to start the code. So I have already this, so I am going to that and I will just pick that code and I will put. I will also show you side by side so you can understand it better way. So logistic regression, okay, and this is logistic regression. So this we have completed, we have run it, this also run it, example picture we completed, and this is the things starting code. So here you can see we have to write the code. This code should be given there, provided there, so we can go and we will do. And here coming to in expected output, you can see here only 3 things is required, but here in given there is 6 7 like that they are providing to go with. But if you want to go with exactly expected one, then you can go with this code. So what we are adding here, we are just adding this m train equal to train set x origin shape 0, this is set x, these 3 lines actually we are adding. I will add these 3 only, or else I will just go for the expected, what is the expected, based on that I will go, it will be better, right? If you want to go with the other, then you need not to do anything, you just add those 3 lines, these 3 lines, and select A, B and shift int. So you can see here I have actually got this expected output in actual output. Now again it is telling here to write the code. So what is the differences in that code, what we have added? So I am showing you side by side. So in reshape training, you can see here the code. What are the code we have added there? This 2 code we have added there, 2 lines. The train set x flatten equal to train set x origin dot reshape and train set x origin dot shape 0 comma -1, like that we are writing the code, right? I am going to copy it and here select it. So you can see here the code is this 2 line. That's why I am suggesting you, please you refer the video and complete it. There is just few line code, and in case you are getting error, then you join the Deep Codec Guru Telegram group. I will provide the link of the Telegram in video description. You can join there and you can ask, I will post the answer there. And also you will join the community of Deep Codec Guru. So whatever the updates regarding educational, then you will get there. So you can see here now we are actually the expected and our actual result is same. Here it is not asking to write any code, so we just execute it. And this is general, right? We go down and this is sigmoid function. So for sigmoid function we have to write here the function we have to define. So I directly go to the sigmoid function. So this is the sigmoid function, you can see here, and this is print. So I copy it again and I will paste there so you can see. This last line I need not to, just up to return, right? Yes. And again shift enter and shift enter. So you can see here the sigmoid, our actual and expected result is same. Now initialized with 0. So this function we have to again paste there I have done. So for time I am just doing as fast as, so I can save your time. Okay, we are doing just little change in that code is, you see here our code is same. Now we have to go and propagate. So for propagate function we have to go. So I will go for propagate function. This is propagate function. I repeat, if you are feeling difficulties in completing the assignment and you need the code, then please join the Telegram group of Deep Codec Guru. I will provide the link in video description. You can go and join our community. You can see here the answer is same. This equal to doesn't matter, it just fetch when we go for it only fetch the numerical value. So it doesn't really matter what you are writing here, equal or whatever we are writing. I just kept something mix up so I can cover both, it matters or not. So some of I matched exactly and some of I didn't match exactly, and we will get 100% score. So optimize, for optimize, now we go for the optimize function. Yeah, this code are really not that much big. Well, there is a lots of comment section. You can see here from this to this there is comment section, again this comment section. So that's why this code is looking long, but this comment section is to help you out what are going to happen in which step. So that is clearly explaining using the comment section. So you can see here, you just match with numerical value. Don't worry about those equal to, not equal to, right? And this is predict function. So I go for predict. Shift enter. So you can see here again we are getting the same, and now we have to go for model. So here we are just creating one algorithm, and that is going to work to identify the cat with how much accuracy, 70% or more accuracy. So we are creating one just algorithm we are creating to identify cat, it is cat or not from the picture image, right? Shift enter, the flowing train model enter. So you can see here it is executing now. So it takes a little time, and 1000. Okay, it is iteration, so it is going for iteration, and after that it is 2000 times it will execute. I am just printing it after 100 step. So you can see here 0, 100, 200, 300. On that iteration value we are printing, and now you can see here our test accuracy is 20%. What is the expected one we are getting, and this is just we have to shift enter. So this is cat, you predicted this picture is cat, you can see here. Now we shift enter again, and you can see here what are the modal accuracy, those function cost gradient you can see. And here again we need not to write one code, just need to run this. So you can see here, and here we have to complete the code. So I will go again, and this is test your own image. So we have to test our own image using this. Okay, start. So this is the last code for week 2 assignment. Control V and save. So this is okay, shift into. So our task is done, and this is the image it will take from this location, and it will complete. No problem. For file we have to go again and proceed, but the task is done. Yeah. So I will go in file. There is something, okay, save and checkpoint. So you can see here checkpoint created, done, and now I will go and submit assignment. So submission is going on, and you can see here program file is submitted. So now our task must be completed. So I will go back to it too. I will refresh it. And I will show you how much score we got. So you can see here our task is completed, and the score is 70 we got. Actually there is some faulty we got there. Sometime it's happened, you need not to worry. In other I executed the same and got. Yes, so let me once I will check it again. So this is initialize with 0 and modal. These two algorithm is not working there. So I will go again and just check. So modal, what is the modal algorithm? Right, this is the modal algorithm. You have to run multiple times if you are unable to get a score, better score. So it will. This is optional, so not to worry about. And the one more function is there, which we are getting 0, which we are getting 0 sigmoid. This is example test. Okay. Sigmoid working. This initialize with 0. Okay. So now hope again I will just go for save and checkpoint. Okay, and submit assignment. Okay, and I will refresh again. So this is Okay, two submission we have done. Let me refresh again. Okay, 70, 70, again 70. We are getting 0 and 0 only. Okay, let me try again. So, by going to, you need not worry, sometimes it's happen. In a slide with 0, this, you copy it. And here, enter, enter. Okay, so here I have to do some changes if required. Okay, but I don't have to do those changes anyhow. Let me do it and see. Yes, and need not be doctor, okay. Let it be, no problem. And I will again execute it. Okay, and I will go for again 7 checkpoint. Okay, submit. Actually, this algorithm is correct. Let me, I will go in that other assignment and I will show you there it working. Sometime it is not working, so you need to execute it times and times, 4-5 times. If you execute it, you will definitely going to get the result. So you can see here now you can see here the score is 100 out of 100. So this happened. Actually this is the correct one only, but it takes time. Sometimes it takes time, as this is Moodle, it takes time to upload there and complete the things. So how many times you submit, it will show you like this. This is the last submission I did, and you can see here the score is 100 out of 100. So this is all about week 2 assignment, programming assignment. And still, if you need the code, then please you join my Telegram group of Deep Codec Guru, and you will get the code over there. So thanks again. Stay home, stay safe, and stay happy.